If you want to make a Photopea background transparent, there are actually two easy ways to do it, and I'm going to walk you through both of them step by step. Whether you're starting a new design from scratch or trying to remove a background from an existing project, this guide will help you get that clean, transparent look fast. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Let's jump in. First, let's look at the best option if you are starting fresh. This is perfect for things like logos, stickers, icons, or social media graphics where you want no background at all from the beginning. Open Photopea and go up to the top menu. Click File, then click New. A new project window will appear, and here is the important part. Look for the background drop-down menu. By default, it may be set to white, but you want to click that drop-down and change it to transparent. Once you select transparent, you can choose your canvas width and height based on the size you need. After that, click Create. Now your new project will open with a gray and white checkerboard pattern in the background. That checkerboard is what Photopea uses to show transparency, so don't worry if it looks strange at first. It actually means your design has no background, which is exactly what you want. Now let's move on to the second method. This is the one you'll use if you already have a project open and it has a white or colored background that you want to remove. On the right side of the screen, find the Layers panel. This is where all your image layers and background layers are listed. Look for the layer named Background or Background Color. In many cases, this layer will have a small padlock icon, which means it is locked. If you see that lock, click it once to unlock the layer. This step is important because you usually can't delete or edit a locked background layer until it's unlocked. Once it's unlocked, make sure the background layer is highlighted, so you know it is selected. Then you can remove it in a few different ways. The quickest method is to press Delete or Backspace on your keyboard. If that doesn't work the way you expect, you can also click the trash can icon at the bottom of the Layers panel to delete the layer completely. If you don't want to delete the layer and only want to hide it temporarily, you can click the eye icon next to the layer name. That will make the background invisible on the canvas. Just remember, hiding a layer is not the same as making the file truly transparent for export. If you need a real transparent background, deleting the layer is usually the better choice. After removing the background, look again at the canvas. If you see the checkerboard pattern, that means transparency is active and your background is gone. At this point, you can continue editing your design, add text, place an image, or export it as a PNG so the transparent background stays intact. A quick tip here: if you want to preserve transparency when saving your work, make sure you export in a format that supports it, like PNG. If you save as a JPG, the transparency will be replaced with a solid color, usually white. So if your goal is a transparent image, PNG is the format you want. And that's really all there is to it. If you're starting a new project, set the background to transparent right away. If you're editing an existing file, unlock the background layer and delete it, or hide it as needed. Photopea makes it simple once you know where to look. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.